Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Frag Pro Shooter game on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Frag Pro Shooter game and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see Frag Pro Shooter game listed usually at the top. Tap on the Frag Pro Shooter game to open its details page. On the app's details page, you will see a button that says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it. And this is how you can download Frag Pro Shooter game on iPhone. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.